Good morning, everyone. Today, the final topic of unit number 2, that is a tensile test. Myself, Dr. J. Sagaravan, Department of Civil Engineering, Rogani College of Engineering and Technology. Tensile test is a measurement of ability of material to withstand forces that tends to pull it apart and to determine the extent the material stretches before breaking. Tensile modulus, an indication of relative stiffness of the material, can be determined from the stress strain diagram. The tension test is the most common method for determining the mechanical properties of material, such as strength, ductility, toughness, elastic modulus, and strain hardening capability. Principle. A standardized specimen with known cross-section is loaded uniformly with relatively low increasing force in the longitudinal direction. A uni-axial stresses state prevails in the specimen until contraction commences. The ratio of stress to strain can be shown from the plotted load extension diagram. Equipment used to determine the tensile strength is a universal testing machine, extensometer, then scale vernier caliper and punching tool. Universal testing machine. Universal testing machine has to cross head with one is adjusted for the length of the specimen and other is hydraulic power driven to apply tension and compression to the test specimen. It is capable for force capacity from 500 Newton to 1 meganewton. The strain measurements are measured and extensometer. The extensometer is calculate the dimensional change achieved by attaching the sensitive measurement device to the test piece. The device is used to measure longitudinal strain or termed as extensometer. First, we have to prepare the specimen. Then the specimen is placed on the UTM. Extensometer is placed, set reading as 0. Load is applied slowly and the neck will be formed. Load is applied to the specimen. The neck formation, see in this diagram, we can see the neck formation. So extension meter must be removed from reaching the yield point. With the increasing load, some point, the load pointer remains stationary with the indicate the yield point. With the further increasing the load, the pointer goes backward and specimen break. The load before breaking the ultimate load is breaking the ultimate load. The load at breaking of the specimen is called the breaking load. Necking is the large reduction caused the cross-section area of the rod. Measure the diameter of the specimen at the neck. After the load generation, load is reversed and specimen is removed from the apparatus. Using some of the relation like Young's modulus, yield strength, then ultimate strength, we have to determine the material characteristic. Some of the factors affecting the tensile testing are specimen preparation and specimen size, rate of straining, temperature, hydrostatic pressure effect, radiation effect. Apart from this test, we have different type of various form of tensile test like tensile adhesion, tensile shear, tensile grab, tensile pulling, tensile fatigue, and tensile creep. Some advantages. The main advantage of this test is check yield strength, tensile strength, and ductile property of the material. Used for selecting material for the application based. It provides safety and integrity of material. It determines the batch quality. Disadvantage, it does not provide information about the material at the different temperature. It does not identify the strength of the material at the different strain rate. It does not identify any possible asymmetry in the material strength. It provides no information about the strength of the material in the different environment. Since it is a destructive testing, material gets over every time. Test is mainly to the ductile material. It is done under constant strain rate and the constant temperature. This is all about a tensile strength test for a material. Thank you so much.